Hello guys. So in Dynamics 365 for each entity we have few settings. So let's say this is a custom entity called company, and here, like, if you go to the advanced setting and go to the solutions, and this is the solution where I have kept these two entities. So the first one is company. Whenever we open this company general tab, here you will see a bunch of checkboxes. So today in this video we will see what is the meaning of this feedback and what happens after we check this box. So currently, if you see, it is not enabled for the feedback, but once we do it, let's see what and all changes we can do. So before that, I want to show you that feedback is nothing but an entity which is available in Dynamics 365, and it is an out of the box entity. Let me just go to the component and click on here, click on entity. Let's search for feedback. So here you can see this is the feedback entity. Let me add this into the system, into this solution. So there are few forms. Let's add all assets and click on finish. So now this entity is added. Let's go to the forms. So here these are the forms. Let's open this form, and here you can see this is a form for feedback entity where the regarding column is there, source, comments, rating, minimum rating. So these are the fields which are here. So what happens, like sometimes we want feedback for each record for a particular entity. Let's say for a company we want the user to add feedback. So in order to do that, what we do, we create a link between company and feedback entity. How we can do that? Just by clicking on this checkbox. So just I have checked this box, click on save, and you should have noted this icon. So it means that once we enable these settings, you can't revert it back. So now the changes are completed, and if we go down here you can see it is grayed out. That means we can't undo this settings. Now let's go to the form, go to the main form, and here what we can do, we can add a subgrid of feedback entity. So let's say add a new section here, and let's give it a name as feedback and show this label. Okay, now here we again need to go to the subgrid, click on subgrid, and here let's say feedback, and here we can see only related records, and here you can see feedback is coming here from the entity drop down. Now let's click on OK. Let's go to home, click on save and publish it. So now we have a feedback subgrid which will show the feedback related to this company, which a user can enter for this particular company record. So now the publish is completed. Let's save and close. Let's go back to the app. This is our app. Let's refresh it. So here now you can see there is a subgrid placed just below this main form, in the main form. So here what we can do, we can click on this create feedback, and here we can give the title like feedback 1. Source, we have two options, internal or portal, and comments like this is a test company. Okay, here we can give the maximum rating, so I think it's a numeric field, and here we have maximum ratings. Now here we can say created by which contact, so the contact we can create, we can select contact, feedback contacts here. Now save it. So here we have the feedback for this entity.